Hi guys, and welcome to my 2020 tree decorating tutorial. So as you can see, I already have my topper on my tree, which I made a separate video for you guys on how I made the topper. So that DIY is available for you guys in another video. So we have, as you can see, all silver and white. So if you guys know me, you know I love white. So my carpet's white. Everything in my apartment is basically white. So I just figured, when else can I do all white? I live by myself. I don't have any kids. So like now is the perfect time to have all white everything. So I'm going to be doing, of course, Winter Wonderland theme for this Christmas. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So here are some ornaments I'm going to be using on the tree. I purposely left the price on so you guys can kind of get a feel of how much everything was. Just to keep in mind, all of these were half off. Aside for, I think it was this one that I got either at Home, which is like one of my favorite stores, or Home Goods. I think this one was from Home Goods. I believe this one was from At Home. So this was full price, but I thought it was totally worth it. I believe these were half off at Michael's, so I got this entire thing for just $10. And if you're like me and crazy, you started Christmas shopping in like August. So I got these cute little ornaments over here in this box for literally only $1 on Aliexpress. So the only thing with that is it takes forever to come in, but look at how gorgeous this is. So this was only about $1. So really good steal if you could, you know, kind of get an early start on Christmas shopping. All right, guys, some more stuff from the Dollar Tree. $1 for 5 pieces. Like, $1? $1? These ornaments that I'm going to use as fillers on the top, $1. Entire pack for $1. Guys, the Dollar Tree is going to be your best friend. $1 for 2. Not 1, but 2 of these little reindeer for the tree. Like, it's crazy. So, Dollar Tree, At Home, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and where else did we go? I think that was it, but they did me well, guys. These as well, I know they're going to just match my theme so well, were $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree, guys. You guys just, I mean, I can't. The Dollar Tree and Aliexpress is just so affordable. It's crazy. So you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money on ornaments. Still talking about this dollar ornament. It lights up. It lights up for $1. Like, I did not even know this lighted up. This is crazy, but how cute is that? All right, guys, so my tree is now all nice and fluffed. I got this pre-lit 7.5-foot tree from Michael's, and I think it's really, really beautiful. I got it half off, so it was only like $140 instead of like $3 something. Really great steal, and I am loving it. All right, guys, so I'm starting my decorating with the little flowers that I got at Home Goods. You guys can start adding anything in any order. I'm just doing this, but whatever you guys feel fit, and you just want to kind of go around the tree and kind of eyeball it wherever you see, especially spaces. We just want to really fill those areas in really well. And let's fast forward through this part. Okay, guys, so when you add your ornaments in, what you want to do is you want to make sure that none of your branches are stuck behind the ornament, because then it's going to lose some fullness. So once you clip your ornament on, just go get all the branches and kind of wrap it. Okay, guys, so I got this whole bunch from Aliexpress, but it has a little bit more green than I wanted. Again, you know how I'm doing more of a silvery white theme, so I got this snow spray from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna spray it on there. Quick and easy. And you guys see how easy it is to just kind of make things your own. So now we have more of a frosty look. I'm just gonna let this dry before putting it on my tree, but I just want to show you guys how you can, you know, customize things that you want to fix. We're just placing our ornaments one by one. I like to kind of just clip it on and then tuck it in like this. Just give your ornament a little bed, make it cozy, just like that. Another thing is I have seen people just put their ornaments in the front. That's fine, but I like to go a little bit deeper towards the back. Trust me, when you're standing far away, you'll see those ornaments and how well they fill the tree. So I would leave this literally like right there. I just like to kind of have a little like difference with the placement. So some of them are going to be deeper than others. Some are going to be towards the outer of the tree. But this is how it's coming along so far, guys. So let's keep going. Oh my gosh, I already love it. I love these little dangly ornaments that I got at home. One of my favorite stores. I know I didn't have an at home in Jersey, but here in Nevada, we do have one and it's amazing. So I'm just going to kind of add these. Mostly more towards the bottom, just to give it like that kind of like dangly look towards the bottom. Another thing I really like about the at-home ornaments is that it does come with this little silver hook here, so you don't have to use a wire. And look at how beautifully that kind of drapes under the tree. So I didn't think I was going to be using these ornaments for the tree because I thought I was going to be using it for another project I have going on. But I did want some more ornaments on the tree, so I'm just going to go quickly and spray these. Now I'm going to kind of get into ribbon placement. So I'm just going to take a long piece of ribbon. Honestly, it can be as long as you want. We can kind of do different lengths here, but we just take a long piece of your ribbon and we're just gonna take it and kind of roll it around our fingers. So I'm gonna show you what this does. So as I think I've told you guys in this video or in another video probably, mesh ribbon is the best because it's the most flexible. So I definitely recommend getting mesh ribbon. So I'm just going to do this and squeeze really tight. I'm just wrapping around my finger and look at how nice that comes out. All right, guys. So when it comes to placing our ribbon, we really are just going to go with the flow that the ribbon naturally wants to go in. So I'm just going to tuck in one piece, let's say right over here. And just tuck it in. And then we're just kind of drape it in whatever direction the ribbon is naturally flowing in. So we're just going to kind of wrap it around. And don't try to be too uniform with your style. I feel like the best type of styles come from when you're just kind of going and winging it. One more thing, guys, don't forget, well, of course, you're going to take off your price tag. I hope you didn't forget that, but just separate the branches. It's going to make a big difference when you place it on your tree, just like that. So it kind of gives that wide effect, and it's going to make your tree fuller. All right, guys, so this is how my tree is looking, and I'm just kind of adjusting the ribbon. Like I said, just kind of let it free flow throughout the tree. I'm gonna go ahead and add these little cedar picks that I got from the dollar store. And wherever you see little spaces and gaps, like I see one right here, I just want you guys to place these little picks, and it's the easiest thing, and it's gonna make all the difference in those gaps, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys when that's done. $1 a piece, and I cut it into 3 pieces, so I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm just kind of stuffing the feathers wherever I feel like my tree needs a little filler, and I'm just kind of draping it like I would a ribbon, just letting it drape around naturally, and it's actually adding a really cute touch, so I actually really like this. Hey guys, so I'm back. I actually took a few hours break just to kind of look at my tree with the lights on, lights off, and kind of just figure out what I think that I need to add. So I actually ran out and went to Michael's and went to Big Lots and went to the dollar store really quick, and I grabbed a few things. So I just wanted to show you guys what I grabbed because I just think it'll kind of fill in some spaces that I see missing really well. So I grabbed a bunch of these little, I don't know, like little silver berries from the dollar store. It's $1 a bunch. I grabbed some, it comes for $1. I might just cut these apart and just kind of clip them on my tree. Some white poinsettias. I got this really nice star that I think will look really nice on the tree. So I just grabbed this. It's nice and silver and glittery. And of course these, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with these. You get this little bunch for $1 at the Dollar Tree, of course. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and kind of stuff this on the top. I just want the top to look super full. I don't want to see any empty spaces. Hey guys, so I just finished putting the finished touches on my tree. I feel like those extra ornaments I got today really helped just cover up the little gaps and all of that. So I'm actually really loving how this silver and white Winter Wonderland theme came out. I really, really love it. And I can't wait to decorate some more. If you guys found this helpful, please let me know. Please comment, like, subscribe, message me, whatever. Just let me know because I'm actually going to be making a lot more crafts for the holidays, some ornaments, some table centerpieces, a bunch of fun stuff. And I would love to share it with you guys. If you guys find it helpful and it actually helped you, send me pictures of your tree, any questions I'd love to answer. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.